Welcome back to SWI, and today on things you didn't know you needed until Dogecoin tanked, and you're on a budget, and you still got fence to build. No, not that. That's going to be featured on things that you didn't know you needed until you hit the lottery. This is what we're going to be talking about today. You're probably thinking, there's not much to this. This is just a standard, ordinary, everyday post pounder. And well, yeah, it kind of is. But this post pounder is better than what you're going to find at your Tractor Supply. It's made out of hardened steel. It is painted red. That red hits twice as hard as one that's painted gray. Twice as hard. That's a fact. Probably go out to the internet and double check that. I could be a little bit off. It might only be 1/3 as hard, but it's a fact. This thing weighs about 35 pounds. It's a beast. Instead of like the 15 pounds that you're gonna get when you buy the cheap one at the farm and ranch store. Guaranteed. That sticker right there, guaranteed to make post pounding not suck as bad. It's still gonna suck, don't get me wrong, it's gonna suck. Because if you're doing this by hand, not happy fun times. But what we like about this pounder is it does have some weight to it. It's built incredibly well. It's built out of hardened steel, and we actually abuse these by dropping that weight on it. And this weight here is going to be featured on a future episode of things that you shouldn't put your hand under because it'll hurt really bad and break every bone in your hand. Okay, that wasn't too bad. It could have been a lot worse. One of the other features of this is that unlike most post pounders, this will fit a 4-inch post, all the way up to 4-inch. Don't believe me? Let's show you. Just like that. And you're probably thinking, I want to watch that fat slob drive that post, and that's not going to happen. So I hate to ruin your day. But we will try and drive this one. Because I very firmly believe in the old adage of work smart, not hard. Yep. We're not getting much anywhere. We'll go right here. You get the point. So cut to some footage of this thing doing what it does best. So if you're looking for a really good solid post pounder for pounding T-posts all the way up to 4-inch or 4-inch wood posts or pipe posts, look no further than the Strainrite post pounder. Until next time, you have a good dang day. Hey, Mark Olson, SWI, welcome.
Right, that was a question.
Oh.
You're rolling?
Yes, I'm rolling.
Okay. All right, I'm rolling too.
Okay. Okay, cut.